Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you 3 easy ways to get crumpets in Toca Boca, so make sure to watch the video until the very end. So I'll show you 3 examples how to get the crumpets. So first head over to the here and then grab the disco ball and grab another character, place the cabbage in his hand. Now head over to the place and then give the character both the items and drag the character that you used earlier. Give it both items and then go the character, appear the very first character. Now let's move on the example number 2. Now head over to this place and then drag a character and place the octopus in his hand. Head over to the place earlier and drag this character and give it a soak ball. Now head over to here and drag this character and place both the items in his hand. There go your second character. Now for the third character, head over to the drag and a character, grab both of these items and place it in the character, then head back. Here now grab the character and place both the item on his hand, and then you go to the third character, and those are the 3 easy way to get the characters in Toca Boca. Which one is your favorite? Let me know in the comments below, and if you enjoyed this video, make sure to thumbs up and subscribe and hit the notification bell for the more content. Thanks for watching.